Okay, so looking at this one, what we're doing here is we're just expanding it and then seeing if we can simplify. So the property, basically the quotient rule that we're going to do here is you can split this into the natural log of e to the power of 3, and this can be subtraction because of the quotient, and this can be natural log of 15. Okay, so what they're asking you here, natural log has a base e right here, and so they're asking you, this is the question here. E to what power would give you e to the power of 3? Okay, that's what's being asked here. E raised to what power would give me e to the power of 3? So it's just this power right here. So that simplifies to a 3. Then minus the natural log of 15. Now here it's the same question. E to what power would give you 15? The answer to that is probably like 2 point something, but it would be an estimate, and so we're looking for exact answers. So we're just expanding it, and then we'll just leave it like that. And when you type this in, if you type in ln, it should hopefully kind of bolden and then give you a spot to put in the 15. You might have to play around with that a little bit. Okay, this other question, same deal. So we're trying to expand this. So once again, it's going to be the quotient rule. So this time we have log base 3. We don't have natural log. We have log base 3 of the square root of y minus log base 3 of 9. Okay, so what we can do here with the square root of y, we can actually change that into exponent form. So we're going to change the radical to an exponent, which would convert into 1/2. And that's because we're taking the square root, and this is understood as a power of 1. And so that ratio becomes your exponent right there. Now, we can actually answer this part right here. We can simplify this. 3 to what power gives me 9? And the answer is 2, right? 3 to the power of 2 is 9, so we can go ahead and simplify that to a 2. Now, the last thing we want to do is if you have a power, you can move it in front of that log. So when we're expanding, you always want to write it out horizontally as far as you can. And so moving that power out, we can write it a little bit longer, okay? Just a little way to help you remember how to do this. And there we go.